Welcome to the first video in the Fundamental of Microbiology series. If we look into the meaning of the word microbiology, we will find that micro means a very small, bio means a living organism, and ology means science. Could you extract vocabs from microbiology word? Yes, you can extract two terms from micro word. The first one is microbes like bacteria, fungi, algae, and viruses, and the second term is micron, which is a measure unit for microbial diameter. I would like you to imagine how much those microorganisms are so tiny. If you to divide 1 millimeter from this ruler to 1000 part, each part equals 1 micron. Oh, so, how microbes are very small, and you need to magnify via microscope for studying, as shown this microbial field under microscope. Just as there are differences between people, also there are differences between microbial cells in shape, size, and arrangement. Microbial nomenclature is very complicated. Now, let me give you the simplified key, which allow to you how to know microbial characterization, according to its name. Now, we will discuss some of Latin terms related with shape, arrangement, color, environmental factors, organs, and others. Cilia indicates to rod shape, cocci indicates to bowl-shaped spherical, vibrio curved rod like comma shape, rhizo, rooty, like plant root, strept, rosary shape, stuff, clustered like grapes, luteus, flavus, xantho, yellow, aureus, golden, rhodo, red, virides, green, roseus, rose, albus, white, niger, black, coli, colon, epiderm, skin, entero, intestines, pneumonia, lung, thermo, high temperature, meso, moderate temperature, lacto, lactic acid, aceto, acetic acid, acido, acidity, halo, saline, azo, azot, fixed nitrogen, aero, airy, lipo, lipid, monas, unicellular, pseudo, fake, penicilli, broom, aspergillum, water sprinkler. The last term is philic, which means love or like. Bacillus fortis, Bacillus subtilis. Another term is fortis, which means strong against harsh conditions. And subtilis means fine layer. About nomenclature, you should know that those microorganisms common in genus Bacillus but differ in species. Only the first letter in genus is capital. Also do not forget to write the microbial name in Latin, or mark and underline. Bacillus sp. means any species belong to this genus, but Bacillus spp. means more than one species belong to Bacillus. Now, show me your skills according to the previous key. And describe these microorganisms. Azotobacter. Once you look to this Latin name you will guess that it is a bacteria, fixes the nitrogen. Streptococcus acidophilus. From genus, you can describe this bacteria and say it is a spherical cells, arranging in a rosary chain. From species, you can say this bacteria love living in acidity. About Aspergillus niger, you also can guess the shape of this fungi like a water sprinkler, with a black color. The last example is Staphylococcus albus, which has a spherical cells arranging in clustered, with white colony. Thanks. And subscribe Mr. Bacteria channel.